There is a little pocket in Victoria that holds a heap of secrets. Join us as we embark on a journey to discover the hidden gems and natural wonders this picturesque region has to offer. Hamilton travels to the Mornington Peninsula. From pristine sandy beaches and rugged cliff lines to lush vineyards and charming seaside towns, Mornington Peninsula is a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. We travelled to the furthest most point past Portsea, then to Cape Schanck and up to Point Leo. Our journey took us to the beautifully restored, Old English-inspired Portsea Hotel. We then continued down to the quarantine station. It was deserted and a little bit spooky. After dark, we stopped into the Sorento Hotel. Both Portsea and Sorento are delightful seaside villages with quaint shops and charming heritage buildings. We did some hiking and visited Cape Schanck, taking the trail to the rocky coastline, then up to the lighthouse. We enjoyed experiencing the native flora and fauna, and we were rewarded with panoramic views of the coastline. The caretakers' cottages around the lighthouse were heritage and looked haunted. A very typical tourist attraction in these parts is a visit to natural hot springs. We visited Peninsula Hot Springs on a cold, wet day. Wandering around in our robes, we tried every water experience, even the painful sensory walking path. I must have soft feet because this really hurt. After golf at the RACV Cape Schanck Resort, we headed to Point Leo Winery, renowned for its interesting artwork. There are over 30 beaches to choose from. The crystal clear waters beckon you in, and the rolling hills and vineyards make this place truly enchanting. Make sure you visit the beauty of the Mornington Peninsula and lose yourself in the landscape. Happy travels!